Hey guys, RTT back here for the video. Guys, today we have a really cool article coming in here from Windows Central, and it's the fact that Samsung is finally going ahead and giving the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 Android 13 beta. This is something we've been waiting for a quite a bit now, and very excited about this, mainly because it's the same concept with Android 12. When we finally did go ahead and get that on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, it just adds so many new features, and it really does also sell the device a lot better once you are able to opt in on this beta. So of course, like always, you go to the Samsung app and you're able to actually go ahead and download this beta. Now the cool thing about Android 13 is it kind of expands on from Android 12L. So a software we've been talking about very much, so is of course Android 12L. Well, Android 13 kind of expands onto that. It adds more of a optimized software for a large screen / foldable device, and of course that is an absolute W when you have a Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now so far Z Fold 4 has not really been had issues when it comes to software, but it actually, any kind of benefit just makes this device sell better. I mean, a big reason why a lot of people are picking up this device is really just the Android 12L's taskbar, which really gives it a lot of different tasking functionality and just gets a lot more people into this device, especially because the easier it is to use a phone, the more likely you want that phone in your hands. So right here, of course, as you guys can see, we do have the One UI beta program, which is free to go ahead and enter, unlike Apple that charges you $100 to enter their developer program. It is free to enter. You just go on the Samsung app, and then you go ahead and sign up, and you are able to download the beta. I will be trying out this beta as I was going to do it as my daily driver, but I think I'm going to do it as just in general, just as my secondary device, because I am rocking the iPhone 14 Pro right now as my daily driver, and I am getting ready for the Surface Duo 1 and 2 to become my daily driver in about, hopefully, Microsoft, a month or so that we can actually start using those phones again. But again, like I said, I will say it like this, right? Because like I said, this is a big W by Samsung for giving us the ability to actually have Android 13. Will this sell the device though? Will this, fix the numbers? Because let's be honest, it's clear as day that Samsung is not hitting the numbers that they want to hit. Because if you think about it, the fact that they're bringing back the pre-order bonuses, right? They're bringing back, the double storage options. And now they're actually releasing, as of a couple of days from now, their W23, which is their Z Fold 4, and Flip 23, which is their Flip 4 and Fold 4. They're releasing them in China to try to take over the Chinese market too, while still being international against everybody else. So it is kind of funny how, at the same time, they are like, hey, listen, we have 90% control of the market. We're owning this space. But at the same time, they are trying their best to go ahead and, really take over everything. But with that being said, I think Android 13 should help them out a tad bit. I will keep you guys updated, though, with any other updates we get on Android 13, including my review of it, how I'm feeling about it, whether I like it or I dislike it. But I will say, keep in mind, if you are upgrading to this, there will be a lot of glitches / bugs. This always happens whenever you are using a software that is in beta. So again, recommendation would be back up your device. Make sure you have a good backup of it before updating, because you would not be able to go back without factory resetting your whole entire device. And again, it is going to be a little bit buggy with Android 12. The biggest issue with this phone was, of course, the fact that the outside display would no longer go ahead and run at 120 hertz. So it actually started running at 60 hertz on the outside display, and that was it, which was quite annoying if you are, of course, using this phone as your daily driver. And then other issues was the phone calls would not work correctly. The inside display was bugging out for a lot of people. So whatever issue you are personally having with Android 13 on this device, make sure you go ahead, and I think Samsung probably has a little little area for you to kind of voice your concerns. That's the point of a beta at the end of the day. A lot of people just go, oh yeah, it's a beta, I can, try out this software. The whole point is you, as a consumer, as a user of the device, are giving their feedback on what they need to upgrade or fix, right? So make sure you are going ahead and doing that so we can have the most perfect software possible. Most likely this will be a typical beta, which is going to be 4 different iterations. So 4 different cycles of updates that we are going to get before we are going to get the full release of Android 13 across the board on all the Z Fold 4 devices and probably all the Android devices in general. The last thing I will leave you guys off with is this better than Android 12L, or is 12L better for foldable screens and tablet type phones? Well, first off, Android 13 is an amazing software when it comes to large screen size foldable tablets. One thing we did learn is as the generations of Android are going on, they're actually just automatically putting in their system optimization for these phones, right? Because by 2025, Samsung has already said this is going to be the new norm. You're going to be able to, pretty much every single person is going to have foldable phones / foldable tablets. So at this moment in time, I'm going to say this is probably going to overall be better than Android 12L. This is going to give us more features, more kind of up-to-date optimization options. So I'm excited for this. Again, like I said, I will be downloading this. This actually just came out 2 days ago. So I kind of want to, wait until I take a video on it before I kind of give, any kind of biased opinion. But for right now, this is going to be a quite exciting time. Guys, if you did enjoy this video, hit the like comment down below. If you'd like to go ahead and help support the channel, you can become a member of the channel. As you guys can see on YouTube right here, we do have 2 of the most recent members on the channel. So make sure if you would like to go ahead and be entered into every single video, you hit that join button down below. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.